Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the display section. Let's tap on it. Then we have to find the wallpaper. Let's open, and as you can see we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from, so the system wallpapers which are pre-installed, or the local album where you've got your own photos, and of course you will be able to set them as a wallpaper. But let me choose something from the system wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pretty options which we can apply. We've got quite beautiful wallpapers to choose from. If you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen. Right now we can see the preview from the lock screen. You can tap right here to check the home screen preview, so with the icons applied. If you like the wallpaper, simply tap on application, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it, and now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.